completed.
Ma'am,
बताओ क्या है?
can I show the book?
Show. Those who completed can show.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Hindi notebook. I asked Hindi notebook. You can show your Hindi notebook.
I'm showing.
Yeah, very good. Till Bindi, everybody completed. Very good.
Ma'am, Esther. Esther.
Yeah, Esther Adideva, Ivan, Aradhya, Yadav,
Ma'am.
Johan, Aiden. Who is that? Sarish?
Yadav.
Shravan. What about others? Very good. Adrinath. Adrinath, show. Yeah, very good. Esther, Ivan. These all students can keep your notebook there. Aradhya. Andrea. What about Evelyn? Evelyn did not complete it. Yeah, Yadav.
Ma'am.
क्या है बताओ?
But ma'am, you in the note you give to onion. No?
Yeah.
But in the WhatsApp.
WhatsApp I give onion.
In WhatsApp you send onion note.
Yeah.
Ma'am.
Did not studied onion.
Ma'am.
Abba, we completed now in the rough book.
Ma'am.
Onion आपने लिखा rough book में. Wait. I will ask. Wait. 1 minute. Giselle बताओ, Giselle. Just open your notebook, Giselle, and read which all words you completed. Let me know which all you completed in the notebook. Rough book भी अपने साथ रखो. You can keep your rough book also with you because we are writing in the last time in your rough book. Giselle पढ़ो. Did not open. Read.
Aloo. Potato.
Next क्या है? पढ़ो Giselle. Why you looking here and there? You did not study for reading. Did not read 10 times last class. I told you now when you are writing you should read it.
Tomato.
Tomato.
Mutton. Peas.
आलू, टमाटर, मटर. कैरेट का हिंदी वर्ड पढ़ो. क्या है कैरेट का हिंदी वर्ड? गाजर. जल्दी पढ़ो. गाजर.
Kaju.
Kaju is the kaddu. That is da plus da. Do. Kaddu. क्या है कद्दू? Pumpkin. Kaddu.
By the
children, reading practice is must. I told you 10 times. If you are writing 10 times, you can read bangan, brinjal, then you will never forget. But many are not reading. You are drawing without reading. What we can say, you are drawing in the book. That is not good. Which word you are writing, you should repeat that. If you are writing bangan 10 times, you will study the word. Because you are reading with that. Giselle, what you are asking to whom? You have to read yourself. If you don't know to read, you can ask to somebody's help and read the word bangan, brinjal, ऐसे पढ़ो. Then you will never forget. Bangan, brinjal. Next word क्या है? Giselle, listen. I will call any other. Who will read that word without any mistake? Sarish. Ivan, wait. I will give the chance next. Sarish. Other all listen. Read now.
Potato. Gajar, carrot. Tomato. Mutton, peas. Kaddu, pumpkin. Bangan, brinjal. Bindi, lady's finger. Piyaj, onion.
That much only we completed in the notebook, no? Pyaj, onion. Now, Esther, read Esther. Others, please repeat after them. You should study how to read the word. Read, Esther. Esther, unmute. Then only you can read. Esther is there. Unmute. Or
Ma'am.
read.
Yes. Kaddu. Pumpkin. Matter. Peas.
There is not matter. It is mutter only. Mutter. नहीं है. Mutter. Next. What happened? Some connection problem, Shika? Tomato.
Yes, ma'am.
Any connection problem?
Ma'am, I have a connection problem.
Okay. Then okay. Ivan, read. Ivan, read.
Aloo, potato, carrot, tomato, peas, kabbu, pumpkin, brinjal, bindi, lady's finger, karela, bitter gourd, moody, radish, onion, pyaj.
Pyaj, very good, Ivan, very good. You are reading, that's why. Those who are reading and writing, they can read very fast. You try, you have to try it. Language I told, if you want to read it, you have to write and read. Practice practice, then only you can read. Very good, Ivan. The next, Agnes Claire.
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
Potato, gajar, carrot, tomato, mutton, peas, kaddu, pumpkin.
Other kaddu nahi hai. It is ka plus a. Kaddu. There is no a ki matra. Then how you can read ka plus a?
Kaddu, pumpkin. Can read.
Wait.
Baingan, brinjal. Bindi, lady's finger.
Very good.
Karela, bitter gourd. Mooli, radish.
Yeah, very good. From rough book with 2 more words we completed. That also you completed. Very good, Agnes. Very good. Now, Yadav. Unmute and read. Jaldi padho. Then only we can start the next topic.
Carrot,
Tomato.
mutton, peas, kaddu, pumpkin, baingan, brinjal, bindi, lady's finger, karela,
Mooli is there. Mooli also you completed. Mooli. Kya hai mooli? Radish. Esther. Because of connection problem, I did not give. You start.
aloo, potato, gajar, carrot, tomato, mutton, peas,
Matter no mutter.
peas.
Kaddu. Which one you reading, Esther?
Yes, ma'am.
कौन सा है? pumpkin का word है? pumpkin हिंदी word क्या है?
Yes, ma'am.
कैसे पढ़ेंगे? कद्दू. कद्दू. कद्दू means क्या है? मटर. कद्दू.
pumpkin.
कद्दू means pumpkin. Next. Finish.
Bangan.
बैंगन.
Ma'am, finish.
Finish. So children, last day, I think you learned this all words. You completed in the Yadav. Very good. Yadav also read very well. Children, the next day also I will make you to read. All should prepare and come for reading.
Okay, ma'am.
And I will call your name. You should read little fast. If you are doing practice only, you can read fast. Who is talking? Please mute. Those who sound is coming, please mute. अब देखो. Okay. Now I will write once again all these vegetables name. I will call some more children, and I feel that you cannot read that double letters. Ditto Vyanjan. When we are writing some words with two letters, somehow problem to read. So I'm going to teach you the new topic today. It is Ditto Vyanjan. Ditto Vyanjan means we are writing that. I will explain after this. First we can do this. Children listen. This all vegetables name be completed. Who is talking? Some parent sound is disturbing. Who is that? Rohan, unmute. Rohan, unmute. Rohan. Aradhya, unmute. Aradhya, unmute. Okay. Now, first we studied aloo. I'm writing only the Hindi word. You know the meaning. Aloo, potato. Gajar. आपको पता है गाजर मीन्स क्या है रोहन?
Carrot.
टमाटर.
Tomato.
टमाटर. Matter. Matter. It is not matter. Many are reading matter. You please check. Any aki matra hai isme? It is matter only. If we need to write ma, it will be aki matra. We have to add. There is no aki matra. It is matra rahid word hai. Matter. The next one is मटर के बाद हमने क्या पढ़ा? कद्दू. ये देखो डबल लेटर है, दा प्लस धा जोड़ा है, इसलिए इसको हम कद्दू पढ़ेंगे. कद्दू. कादू नहीं है, कद्दू. इसमें भी आ की मात्रा नहीं है. का के साथ आ जोड़ने से का बनेगा, नहीं तो कद्दू. कद्दू पढ़ेंगे. कद्दू. और सिक्स्थ वन बैंगन. क्या है बैंगन?
Brinjal.
ब्रिंजल. ब्रिंजल के बाद हमने भिंडी पढ़ा. भिंडी. Bindi. This all you completed in the notebook, no? Silent,
yes.
Unmute. And after we learn this, pyaj. Did I made you to write? Pyaj.
Yes.
Pyaj means क्या है? Onion. We completed. And we learn करेला. That वो हमने पहले पढ़ा है. करेला. एक ही मात्रा वेड है. करेला. क्या है करेला? Bitter gourd. करेला means bitter gourd. और 10th last one. मूली. वो भी हमने ऊ की मात्रा, बड़ी ऊ की मात्रा में पढ़ा है.
Radish.
क्या है? रेडिश. 10 सब्जियों के नाम मैंने आपको सिखाया. 10. मेनी वेजिटेबल्स आर देयर. और भी सब्जियों का नाम है. हमने देखा पत्ता गोभी, फूल गोभी, पालक. बहुत सारे सब्जियां हैं. This only I taught you because you are small children. You cannot write more word. Now also 10 you studied.
I'm right.
Very useful for you after. बताओ.
I'm right. 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 Write this.
No need to write. Just read. Rohan, read this all.
Aloo. Potato.
Meaning नहीं चाहिए. You should read that word, Hindi word.
Aloo. Gajar. Tomato. Matar. Kaddu. Baingan. Bindi.
भिंडी after क्या है? प्याज. There you have doubt. I know that it is pa half. प्याज. प्याज क्या है? प्याज.
करेला.
करेला.
मूली.
मूली. Very good. Pavin. Pavin, unmute and read. Pavin, unmute. Pavin, पढ़ो. Pavin, क्या बात है? Read. Pavin, what happened? No answer, no responding. Nived, Nived, unmute. Nived. Read, Nived.
Yes, ma'am. Aloo.
Agnes, you get the chance now.
Gajar.
Gajar.
Tomato.
Tomato.
Matar.
Again matter. Where is matter? मैंने matter लिखा है उसमें matter. Simply why you reading matter? It is mutter. Matter is wrong. It is mutter.
Matar.
Next. Ka. The plus da. Then which letter? Kaddu.
Kaddu.
Kaddu. Next. Bang.
Bengan.
Bengan. Very good. Next.
Mindi.
Hindi. The next word is प्याज. कैसे पढ़ेंगे? प्याज. Next.
Karela.
करेला. Next one. मूली. क्या है? मूली. करेला. मूली. मूली. Sriya. Very good. Sriya, unmute and read.
Ma'am.
जल्दी जल्दी पढ़ो.
Gajar. Tomato. Matar. Kadu.
Kadu. Where is ka? Kaddu.
Kaddu. Brinjal.
ब्रिंजल का हिंदी वर्ड क्या है? कैसे पढ़ेंगे? बैंगन. क्या है? बैंगन. बैंगन.
भिंडी.
भिंडी.
प्याज.
प्याज. करेला.
करेला. मूली.
मूली. मूली. Okay, children, you have to read. Reading practice needed. All should read. The next class, the next week, I will take a dictation. These all words. Which all word you did not write in the notebook, I will send that words also. You can write and study in the notebook. 10 vegetables name you learn. This 10 vegetables name you should repeat, read it again and again. Write and study. Ready for the dictation in the next class. Now I am going to teach you, because you know you are not getting this kaddu, pyaz and all. So I am going to teach you Ditva Vyanjan. How we can add two letters together. Understood, children? That I am going to teach you now. How to add this two Vyanjan. When we are adding two letters, we will get another sound. That we can study now. So I will show you first. Children, you know that Vyanjanakshar kya hai? Ka, kha, ga, kha, nga. This I told you to study every weekend. That means Sunday or Saturday. Sunday evening you have to write and study this 3 times. All the Vyanjanakshar. Ka, kha, ga, kha, nga, cha, cha, ja, cha, nya. Because some children cannot identify the letter, you have to write and study this cha, cha, ja, cha, nya. Do you know this letter? Cha, cha, ja, cha, nya. Tha, tha, da, tha, na. Study now. Dhana, tha, tha, da, tha, na. This all Vyanjanakshar you have to write and study in every weekend. 3 times. And you have to read also. Otherwise you will forget all this kind of Vyanjanakshar. When I teach you Vyanjanakshar, that time I told. When I taught you Vyanjanakshar, that time I told. There is no sound. its own sound is not there for व्यंजनाक्षर. क हम ऐसे कहेंगे क क. This is the sound. क ख घ ख ng. This is the sound of this व्यंजनाक्षर. But when we will add with the swara a, when we will add with k plus a, it will become what? Ka.
Ka.
Only the sound will come. Ka. The letter ka, it's already a letter is there. A, swarakshar a. That's why we are reading ka, kha, gha, kha, nga. Understood?
Yes.
Without this swarakshar a, there is no any sound for this व्यंजनाक्षर. Like k, k, ऐसे पढ़ेंगे हम. व्यंजनाक्षरों के साथ आ जोड़ने से ही हमें खा, खा, गा, खा, nga मिलेंगे. Understood, children?
Yes.
So today I am going to teach you Ditva Vyanjan. Ditva Vyanjan. That we will study for that. Don't forget to write and study this Vyanjanakshar. Every weekend you have to write. Now we are going to study Ditva Vyanjan. We will show you what is Ditva Vyanjan. Ditva Vyanjan. Ditva Vyanjan. Ditva Vyanjan means we have to add two Vyanjanakshar together. There will be some changes.
Yes.
It will happen some change. Here I am going to write first. No need to ka. First I will write ta. Letter. कौन सा अक्षर है ये? Ta. Now when I add this haland, halchin, haland, it will read t because there is no a. That's why it is t. T plus ta. We can add one more ta. T plus ta. It will become t means half letter ta and the full ta. कैसे पढ़ेंगे? Ta. Ta. We studied in Malayalam. Double letter ta. Did you learn?
Yes.
Yeah. The same in Hindi. We have double letters like Ditva Vyanjan. Utta. We can write one word like patta. Patta. Do you know what is the meaning patta? Its meaning is leaf. Patta, leaf. Ta plus ta. Ta. Itta. Ta. Double letter. The second one. Now I am going to add with sa. Sa plus a. It is not sa, it is sa. Sa plus full sa. It is half. That's why we are adding hal. Then it is sa, sa. Sa. Second sa is full. Second we can write full sa. The first sa is half. Understood? Sa. Kya hai? Sa. Rassi. I will write now one word rassi. Rassi means rope. Rope. रस्सी मीन्स क्या है? रोप. मलयालम में हम एस डबल सा लिखी है ना, रस्सी. सी ऐसे लिखेंगे हिंदी में भी. रस्सी. रस्सी. The next one we can add the next letter ba. क्या है? ba. Bha plus here b plus bha. It will become first letter ba half, second letter ba full. Ba. क्या है? Ba. Listen here everyone. No need to look there and here and there. You should listen here. Ba. तो मैंने इधर एक वर्ड लिखा गुब्बारा. गुब्बारा. Do you know what is गुब्बारा? Balloon. क्या है गुब्बारा means? Balloon. Ba. कौन सा अक्षर है? Bha. B plus ba. Ba. पढ़ो. B plus ba. Ba. Then fourth one, कौन सा अक्षर है ये? च. Now it become ch. Ch plus cha. Cha. First letter half, second letter full. Cha. Cha. क्या है? Cha. In Malayalam this letter cha. Cha.
Cha.
So इधर बच्चा. बच्चा. Understood? Bacha. Bacha means child. Bacha. Who is bacha? Oh, child. Small baby. Bacha. Child. Understood? Bacha. कैसे पढ़ेंगे? Bacha. Here many students video is of Please try to on your video. The one more word. Only 5 words I am teaching. One more is la. La, la plus la. La plus la. कैसे लिखेंगे? पहले letter half. La. The next letter full. La. La. क्या है? La. La. Billy. Do you know who is Billy?
Cat.
Cat, meow. Those who are saying meow, meow, that is Billy. Cat, Billy. कौन है Billy? Cat. अब देखो थ प्लस ता क्या बना? ता. पत्ता. पढ़ो. पत्ता. थ प्लस सा. वर्ड क्या है? रस्सी. पढ़ो. रस्सी. ब प्लस भ. वर्ड क्या है? गुब्बारा. गुब्बारा. Abha, what you are writing? Anything I told you to write? Children, when I'm teaching, don't write. Stop writing. Now I'm making you to read. You should listen. Before writing, you have to learn the word. Then only you can start writing. No need to write anything now. ल plus la. च plus cha means क्या है? च plus cha. Cha. बच्चा. बच्चा. ल plus la. La. Billy. 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 I will show you some pictures. Then only you can understand. 1 minute. Okay. Listen here, children. You can see some pictures. अब देखो, ये चित्र देखो, क्या है इसमें? ये पिक्चर देखा आपने? क्या है ये? Don't know what is this? Aiden, आपने देखा ये चित्र? ये किसका चित्र है?
Balloon.
बैलून. हमने एक वर्ड पढ़ा. क्या वर्ड पढ़ा? भ प्लस भ. तो हमने इसे जोड़ा तो क्या बना? भा. ये क्या है? गुब्बारा. क्या है ये? हरा रंगों वाला गुब्बारा. बैलून. क्या है गुब्बारा? मीन्स बैलून. आपको बहुत पसंद है ना गुब्बारा? Are you playing with this? आप लोग गुब्बारा लेकर खेलती है ना? गुब्बारा. क्या है गुब्बारा? बैलून. क्या है गुब्बारा? बैलून. Read the word गुब्बारा. बैलून. गुब्बारा. बैलून. Read हिंदी वर्ड. गुब्बारा. बैलून. गुब्बारा. बैलून. Balloon. Don't forget the word. Which word? Gubbara. अब ये देखो. Hi, very cute, sweet. Your house also. You also have now छोटी. Who is this? Child. देखो कैसे लिखेंगे इसको हम? कौन सा अक्षर जोड़ा है इसमें? देखो चा. च प्लस चा जोड़कर हमने क्या पढ़ा? चा. और ये कौन है? छोटी सी नन्ही सी बच्चा. बच्चा मीन्स हु? चाइल्ड. स्मॉल बेबी. चाइल्ड. बच्चा. पढ़ो. बच्चा. बच्चा मीन्स हु? चाइल्ड. रीड. बच्चा. चाइल्ड. बच्चा. चाइल्ड. स्पेलिंग देखो कैसे लिखा है? बच्चा. बच्चा. चाइल्ड. Did all read? बच्चा. चाइल्ड. आपके घर में है ना छोटी सी आपकी नन्ही सी बहन और भाई? छोटी बच्ची है ना आपके घर में? बच्ची और बच्चा. नेक्स्ट. ये क्या है? देखो हमने अब पढ़ा स प्लस सा. क्या? कैसे बनेंगे? सा हाफ और सा फुल. सा. रस्सी. रस्सी का मतलब है रोप. ये है रोप. रोप, रस्सी मीन्स किसके लिए यूज करते हैं? स्विंग बनाते हैं ना हम, रस्सी से झूला, झूला बना कर देते हैं आपके पापा और मम्मा, ये रस्सी से, रस्सी, रोप, रस्सी क्या है? रस्सी मीन्स रोप, रस्सी पढ़ो, रस्सी, रोप, रस्सी, रोप, रस्सी, रोप, स प्लस सा कौन सा अक्षर है? सा, रस्सी, वो भी हमने पढ़ा, रस्सी। अब ये देखो, ये कौन सा अक्षर है? आपको पता है कौन सा अक्षर आएगा इस पे? ये लीफ है। लीफ को हम क्या कहते हैं? एक हरे रंगों वाला थ प्लस ता से बना है ये ता, ता। इसको हम क्या कहेंगे? पत्ता। पत्ता मीन्स लीफ, पत्ता पढ़ो, पत्ता। इसका रंग क्या है? हर पत्ते कौन सी रंग का होता है? हरा रंगों वाला, हरा, पत्ता क्या है? पत्ता, लीफ, पत्ता क्या है? पत्ता, लीफ। वंस अगेन रीड, पत्ता, 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 लीफ, पत्ता, लीफ। द नेक्स्ट वन, आओ देखो ये कौन है? कौन है ये? किसी के घर में होगा ये, म्याऊ म्याऊ कर इधर उधर भागेंगे। कौन है ये? इसका नाम क्या है? हिंदी में हम क्या कहेंगे इसको? नहीं मालूम आपको? ल प्लस ला, ल के साथ ला जोड़ने से ला बनेगा, ला। और इसको हम बिल्ली कहेंगे, बिल्ली। कौन है बिल्ली? कैट। Who is बिल्ली? कैट। पढ़ो, बिल्ली, कैट। रीड, बिल्ली, कैट, बिल्ली, कैट, बिल्ली, कैट। बिल्ली, बिल्ली का मतलब है कैट। 1 मिनट। अब देखो, पत्ता, रस्सी, ये क्या है? पत्ता, रस्सी, बच्चा, बच्चा, गुब्बारा। क्या है? गुब्बारा, गुब्बारा, बच्चा, रस्सी, पत्ता, बिल्ली, बिल्ली। Understood, children?
Yes.
Yes. And you got it? Its meaning. Now, अब देखो, again read two plus ta. Two plus ta. Ta. Patta. S plus sa. Sa. Rasi. B plus bha. Ba. Gubbara. Ch plus cha. Cha. Bachcha. L plus la. La. Billy. Okay. Now we completed time up. The children, the next class what I told to study? You have to learn. I will send some more vegetables name. You complete it and study. The next class I will take a dictation. Read and study the words. Sabji, okay, now 10 words. After that we can start this. I will send the notes. Okay, shall we wind up?
Yes.
Bye. Dhanyavad. Bye.
You said
That you have to write and study. I told in the week Sunday. Every Sunday you have to write and study.
Yes.
Okay. Bye. Bye.